Hi everyone, this is Bharati. Today our topic is writing to a different frame. In this topic, we will learn how can we divide a window into different frames and how can we display a data from another frame. That is, taking the input from the user in one frame and displaying in another frame. So, how to do that? Today we will learn. Let's start the topic. Writing to a different frame. You can also use the document.write method to send dynamically created content to another frame in a frame set or to another browser window previously opened by a script in the same page. So we can use the content to write from one frame to another frame or one page to another page dynamically. We can use the method document.write, and in this case you are not restricted to only one call to document.write per page. So there are no restrictions to use the document.write only once per a page. You can use as many times as you require in that document. You can open an output stream to another frame or window and keep dumping stuff into it until you close the stream with document.close. Means whenever we are writing the data from one page to another page, after writing that data to other page, we need to close the document object. Today we will see a sample program for a different frame, writing to a different frame. It is a simple program. Let's write the program. This is our example program. In this we have two frames. The window is divided into two frames. In one frame we are displaying some links and another frame is empty. So whenever we are clicking the date links on the first frame, it is showing the output on the second frame. So page 1, this text belongs to page 1.html. So page 2, this text belongs to page 2.html. Like this, whenever we clicking on the links on the one frame and it is showing the output on the other frame. So how to write the program for this we will write now. As we are displaying two links, that means two web pages, so first we write the code for those two web pages. HTML body tag, in this I am writing the heading 1 tag, head 1, h1, and this here, this is the text from page 1. So in this we are giving this text, close h1, close body tag, close HTML tag, save this program, save on desktop. So in this desktop, this is the page 1.html. Save. Next I want to write another web page. So same like page 1.html. So copy this one and paste here. This is the page to text. Save this. As page to .html. Save. Now we have to create the links for these two pages. So I am writing HTML body tag within the body. I want to give a link. So anchor tag a h reference is equal to page1 dot html and target equal to frame 2, and here the text for this link is page 1. Close the anchor tag. As we have to display these two pages, that is what we have created now, page1 dot and page1 dot html and page2 dot html. We need to create the links for those two pages and we need to display those in the frame. So copy this thing and paste it here. So creating another link for page 2 and target is also same, frame 2. Here the text is page 2. Close the body tag. Close the HTML tag. What we have done here, we are creating links for the two pages what we have created previously, and now saving this program, save links.html, save. Next we have to write another program for creating frames to a web page. So here HTML, within the HTML I want to write it as we are creating frames. So frame set, in this frame set we have to mention how many columns or how many rows. So here I am defining two columns with percentage 20% is the first frame and remaining 80% for second frame. Enter. Now in this frame set we have to create frames. In this frame what we want to display we have to mention in the source attribute. So src is equal to I want to display my links.html page in this frame. So links.html I want to display in this frame. And I am giving the name for this frame as frame 1. And I have to create another frame to display the output of these pages in another frame, and creating second frame. Source, I don't want to give any source here, just displaying the data from the first frame. So I am leaving here as empty this source, and name for this frame is frame 2. This is our frame set. So close the frame set and close the HTML. Save this one as frame set frameset.html. Save. So what we have done here, we have created two pages with some text, page 1.html and page 2.html. Then we have created two links for these two pages in a separate page, and where they have to display we have mentioned in that link only as a target attribute. And we have created one more program to divide the page into two frames. So here we used frame set tag, and we created two frames, and here in first frame we have displayed, we have given the source links.html program. So in first frame, that is first 20% of the web page, the links.html page will be displayed. The links.html page contains two links with the page 1 and page 2. So, and second frame we didn't mention anything, so it is empty as it is taking output from the links.html. It will display here, and we have given the name as frame 2. So let us execute this program. So these are the programs, HTML programs we have written now. We need to execute only this frame set because we are displaying, we are dividing the page into two pages and displaying the two frames with the help of links.html. So by clicking that, this is the output. So here we have two frames, one is with 20% and another frame is with 80%. As we gave as in frame 1 with these two links as a source. So here it displayed two links, page 1 and page 2. So let's see what happened if we click these links. Page 1. So this is the text from page 1. So here when we are clicking the page 1 link from the frame 1, it is displaying the output in another frame. The same with the page 2. Okay. This is the program to writing into a different frame. These are the books you have to refer. Thank you.